Hi and salam to all of you. Today I will be showing you how you can use the Flex table to display Google Sheet tables on your WordPress website. Now it's very simple. First of all, make sure you have the plugin installed, and once you have that, make sure you have a table. As you can see, I have a list of 20 students, and once you have your table ready, just click on the share button, hit share, and set the access to viewer. I've already done that. Now hit done and copy the URL link for your Google Sheet. Now head over to your WordPress dashboard and head over straight to the dashboard of the Flex table. Just click on create new table. That's the green button. And now paste the link which we copied before and click on create table. Now set your table name, and you can see the link is already being displayed, and if you scroll down you'll see that the table is now being displayed down below. And if you ever make any changes, so you can see there's business studies. If I head over to the table and I just remove business, remove studies, and head back to the plugin, and I click on fetch and save. Here's business studies, and if I click on fetch and save, it's going to update the table. So you don't have to check everything. You can just directly make your changes here and then head over to your dashboard, and you'll see that the changes will be made successfully. Okay, now that we're done, you can copy and paste it in your WordPress website, but I'm going to go a little bit further by going to the next step, which is table theme, and this is where your table starts to get a little bit more brighter. Just choose a theme, and I'm just going for what's on display, but you can change the color and you can change the body colors. You can go very deep to change the color, but I like this very much because I think it looks very well with my dress. So this is what it's going to look like when you choose a theme, and once again hit fetch and save. Now you copy the code and you head over to your page or your post. I already have one post open. Just right click and paste the code, hit save, and if we move to the front end, you'll see that the table will be displayed on your WordPress website. How simple was that? Very easy to look at, very comforting to the eyes. If you would like to know more on how you can use this table, this plugin, this Flex table plugin, just head over to Flex table that has been developed by WP Pool. The link is in the description box down below. Take care and do subscribe to our channel.